Okay, ladies and gents. So here's another page of practice for you. I call it a quiz. It's not worth marks. This is just you practicing the skills that we learned in the last page of homework. These, again, it's intended to look like test questions so that you're better prepared for this when you come up to the test. I've found over the years that students really struggle with these ones. So I decided to give you a little bit extra. Okay, so the first one you can see, use the Pythagorean theorem to find the height of the triangle. So you see the triangle sitting here. You see that it's marked 8 centimeters and we get these little notch marks. Remembering those little marks mean that each side with those marks is the same length. So this is an equilateral triangle with 8 centimeters as its side lengths. To find the height of the triangle, it's what we were doing in the last homework all the way through, basically. Draw an imaginary line down here. That's going to be h. That's going to be your unknown. And then you get a squared to be down here, but remember it's only going to be half of that little triangle. And then that'll help you find the height of the triangle. Number 2 says, I want you to calculate the area of this whole triangle. Okay? Now, number 3 says, calculate the area of the hexagon base. So we see we have our figure here, and it's got a hexagon base, and we see the little marks on there that this is 8 centimeters all the way around. So it's a regular hexagon. And then hopefully you remember from the lesson from this, to calculate the area of the base, we're going to break this into 6 equilateral triangles, each with 8 centimeter sides, just like you did here. Okay? So it should be fairly self-explanatory since you've already calculated the area of an 8 centimeter triangle, how to get the hexagon base, which is made up of 6 of those. Number 4 is find the volume and surface area of the hexagonal prism. Okay, so volume, all the space inside, and then surface area, you have to take into account that there's 2 hexagonal ends, and then that we have 6 rectangles making up the outside. Okay, and again, very, very similar to what you did for question 4, the assessment focus, very similar to the example in the special triangles lesson. The last one is just for you to push yourself a little bit further if you like. This is totally optional. You will not get anything this challenging on the test, okay? So here it is. Your extra challenge, should you choose to accept it. Jack's going on vacation. He has a 75 centimeter umbrella that he wants to pack. His suitcase has a length, width, and height of 25 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 65 centimeters. So, all in that order. He wants to know, can he fit his umbrella into the suitcase? So I suggested draw a picture of the suitcase to help you visualize the problem. So there's the suitcase, okay? So you want to know if he can stuff his umbrella in there. And I'm not going to give you any more prompting than that. It's meant to be a little bit of an extra challenge. And when I put up the answers to this video, I will show you how to solve this and figure out if you can fit it in there or not. Okay? Happy hunting. Bye for now.